In this video, I will explain exactly what to do when your business receives defective merchandise from China. I'm Santiago Cueto, board-certified international business law expert and best-selling author. I've helped hundreds of businesses navigate this exact situation. The steps you take in the first 48 hours can mean the difference between recovering your money and losing everything. Now, I've seen it many times. Your container just arrived from China. You open it up, half the products are unusable. The quality is nothing like the samples you approved earlier, and your customers are waiting. First, let's talk about why this happens so frequently. Chinese manufacturing operates differently than what most Western businesses expect. Communication barriers exist. Quality standards vary. Cultural differences in business practices create misunderstandings. Some suppliers intentionally cut corners after receiving payment. Others simply don't understand your requirements. The reason matters less than your response. You need to act quickly. Every day you wait weakens your position. Start by documenting everything immediately. Take photographs of every defective item. Shoot video footage of the unpacking process. Keep all packaging materials. Save every email and text message you exchange with the supplier. Create a detailed inspection report. List specific defects. Note quantities. Compare what you received against your purchase order. This documentation becomes your evidence. Without it, you have no case. Now, if you're finding this information valuable, hit that like button right now. It helps other business owners discover this content when they're dealing with the same problem. And subscribe to this channel for more practical international business law advice you can actually use. All right, now let's get back into it. The next one is incredibly important. Contact your supplier immediately. Don't wait. Send a formal notice in writing. Attach your documentation and be specific about the defects. State clearly what you want. Do you want a refund? Do you want replacement products? Do you want a partial credit? Give them a reasonable deadline to respond. Usually, 7 to 10 days works well. But here's what most people get wrong. They get emotional. They send angry messages. This destroys any chance of cooperation. You need to stay professional. You need to stick to the facts. Chinese business culture values maintaining face. Aggressive confrontation makes suppliers defensive. They stop responding. Instead, frame it as solving a problem together. Say you want to find a solution that works for both parties. This approach gets far better results. Document this communication too. Use email instead of phone calls when possible. That way everything's documented. Now, if you must use WeChat or WhatsApp, screenshot everything. You're building a paper trail. This matters if you need to escalate things later on. Well, what if the supplier refuses to help? Well, this is where your purchase contract becomes critical. Pull out your agreement. Look for the quality standards clause. Check the inspection terms. Find the dispute resolution section. Most contracts specify how disagreements get handled. Some require arbitration. Others allow litigation. The location matters enormously. A contract with Chinese jurisdiction is very different from one with US jurisdiction. Now, if you paid by letter of credit, contact your bank immediately. You might have recourse through the letter of credit terms. If you used a trade platform like Alibaba, file a dispute through their system. These platforms often hold funds in escrow. You have protections built in. Also consider hiring a Chinese attorney. Yes, it costs money, but they understand local law. They know how to pressure suppliers effectively. They can file claims in Chinese courts if necessary. Sometimes just receiving a letter from a Chinese law firm motivates suppliers to settle. The cost of a lawyer is often less than your loss on defective goods. Now, for smaller disputes, you might use a quality inspection company. They can mediate. They can verify defects independently. Their reports carry weight with suppliers. Now, the best solution is prevention. Always order pre-shipment inspections. Use third-party inspection companies. Build quality requirements into your contracts. Pay deposits only. Hold final payments until you confirm quality. And develop relationships with reliable suppliers over time. And visit factories in person whenever possible. Now, dealing with defective products from China requires quick action, solid documentation, and strategic communication. Follow these steps and you dramatically increase your chances of recovery. If this video helped you, Make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. I post new international business law content every week that helps you protect your business and avoid expensive mistakes. I'm Santiago Cueto, your Florida business attorney. Be sure to watch this next video for more business law insights.